Hey guys, it's JoJo. JoJo in school. It's the last day of school today. Kind of sad. I won't get to see my friends. Brendan, stop. And that's Tommy Mayer in the background. Today I got my yearbook. I'm signing it, and then when you guys want to see it, I got all my friends, almost all my friends. I just need to get more people today.
Talking to yourself.
Okay, and so here's my yearbook. Jalen, I need to show the people my yearbook. Okay.
Talking to yourself.
There's our yearbook. And there's Tommy Mayer.
He's ugly.
Brendan, I'll kill you. Okay. It says JoJo's yearbook. That's Brenton. Bo. Our cameraman Bo.
It like says Jajo.
He put on a Jew. Tommy, stop writing on it. Okay, and that's where I love Tommy Aliota, because I love him. And then here's all my other friends.
You love me, JoJo?
Here's all my other friends. And then I got people on the back.
Yeah, the unimportant people.
The unimportant people are on the back, except for Chris Winger and Tommy Aliota. Then I got people in here, and then people over here. That's my ex-girlfriend right there.
Brody?
No, Emily. There's Brody. He's a ginger too.
Ginger. Oh.
There's my friend Russell. He loves me so much. There's Sabrina. She's my cupcake. No, I don't.
You got someone. Oh.
And then I got Savannah. And then I have nobody in the back. See? Blank pages. But wait. Okay. Look. Okay. Come on, Miss Gordon. Let me just videotape. Okay, I got in trouble.